Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check transaction history on Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet helps you to look at your history, that is your all the activities including your cryptocurrencies. To check the transaction history through Trust Wallet, you need to first open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. With this, here you'll be taken to home. Now on the top you can see different kind of options. You can see history option on the right side. Tap on history. With this, here you can view all the transactions and all the history related to the transactions. Now if you want to segregate your history, then you can tap on all networks option on the top, and then you can select the network in which you want to view your history with. I am going on with BNB Smart Chain. After this, you'll be able to see transactions related to BNB Smart Chain. This is how we can view transaction history on Trust Wallet. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.